Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Sitemap plugin and regenerate sitemaps step by step clearly. To start, log in to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section on the left sidebar. Locate the installed plugins option and click on it. Find the Sitemap plugin you want to uninstall. Click on the deactivate link below the plugin name. Once deactivated, click on the delete link to remove the plugin. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Next, head to the settings section in the left sidebar. Look for the option related to Sitemap settings. If your theme or another SEO plugin offers a sitemap feature, ensure that's active. If not, consider installing a new sitemap plugin, such as Yoast SEO or Rank Math. Go to the plugins section again to add a new plugin. Click on Add New at the top of the page. In the search bar, type in the name of the new Sitemap plugin. Once you find it, click on the Install Now button. After installation, click on the Activate button. Next, navigate to the newly activated plugin settings. Locate the option to generate a new sitemap. Click on it to generate your fresh sitemap. If your plugin provides the ability to customize the sitemap, make the necessary adjustments. Save any changes you have made. To check your newly created sitemap, locate its URL. Typically, this is your domain name followed by /sitemap.xml. Enter the URL in your browser to ensure it's displaying correctly. If you encounter any issues, revisit the plugin settings and troubleshoot as needed. Congratulations, you've successfully uninstalled your previous sitemap plugin and regenerated a new sitemap. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.